Hi everyone, this is Hannah here, and I finally got my Penpal slash Snail Mail, Happy Mail box put together for the month of June. I was just a few days late on it, but I wanted to go ahead and show you a video, just kind of an overview of it. Basically, it is set up for you to send out 6 letters, or 6, 6 letters, to various people. And I made these envelopes, which I thought they turned out really nice. And I did do a tutorial video using the We Are Memory Keepers punch board, because it did take me a little bit to try to figure out how to use that. So we've got our 6 envelopes, and these measure a little bit over 4 by 6, so that way you could put in 4 by 6 photos or journaling cards in there. And these are the 4 by 6 cards. You will be getting 12 of these in with this kit. They're just random 4 by 6 cards that you can send out. So you'll get 12, which is basically 2 for each envelope. And they're just from different paper collections. They're just bright, fun colors. And so you get 12 of those. You'll also get 6 of these. These are just random little, I think like little 3 by 3 cards, and they're one-sided. And they just say different things on them. So, and then also, you'll get 6 sheets. These are 8.5 by 11 sheets that I printed out to be lined, because at one time I was making some Midori travelers journals and little Midori notebooks, and so I printed out the paper to have the lines, so that when you fold it in half, so that whenever you fold it in half, like for your junk journals or Midori notebooks, it'll have the lines, going horizontally. So, but I still thought it would be neat to have, sometimes when you send Happy Mail, people use it in their junk journals or, travelers journals. So, so I thought this would be neat. And you could even cut it in half, or just write a letter and fold it. But you'll get 6 of these, and I did tea stain them. So you get 6 of them that are tea stained. And then you'll also get a pack of sequins. With this particular kit, that's identical. Basically, I have 4 kits that are identical to this. After that, some of the items will vary, like the paper won't be the same. There may be some of the same paper for the envelopes, but some of them will be different. They'll still be fun, bright colors like these are. And some of the sequins might be other colors that coordinate with the paper. And then some glitter. This is like an iridescent white. And then these are some cute little flowers. These are cute little flowers by Prima with their Fruit Paradise collection, and I thought they would be so cute with this. So this is something that you can use to decorate, something to send to your pen pal, or you could send them some of these flowers and they could decorate something themselves. Also, I thought this would be kind of neat. These are the Tim Holtz vintage photos or old photos, and I thought, you know, that you can include one in each of, you know, to each of your 6 pen pals. Also, I've got, these are some old Trivial Pursuit. These are the sports edition, so this is pretty neat. So you get 12 of those, so each envelope will have 2. Also, you'll have some, let me check the brand, some Maggie Holmes washi tape. I love the colors. They're so fun. I love the floral designs. Here's some other designs too. Got one with horses, like, I guess that's like checkers, some kind of foliage, I guess, and then just some. So each kit will get one of the washi tapes. Each kit will also get one of these that has some letters. This is, I think, like Times New Roman. This is a different font. So each kit will get one of these, and also a Tim Holtz mini ink. I've got various colors. I've got this color, Salty Ocean, Faded Jeans, Barn Door, Pumice Stone. I've got all kinds of colors, so those will just be randomly selected in with the kits. Also have some buttons here. You know, people love to use buttons in with their crafts, so here's also some buttons that you'll get with the box. Also, I'm including these pack of, these are velvet flowers, and I just love them. So you'll get a pack of this, whether it's to use as part of the decoration or to gift, but I thought you might want to use it like to decorate something. Also a yard of rosette trim. This is it's some kind of a pink color, like a kind of like a dusty rose or mauve color. And let's see here, and then also what I've got put together here, I took some of the leftover papers after I had cut it. After I had cut the paper down to size to do the envelopes, I took some of the leftovers and kind of made like a little fold over here. So basically you take the paper clip off, you know, which I did it with the, just took some little crochet trim and glued it on. And then you've got some just various ribbons, seam binding. This is like a pink velvet trim. It's real light, like a baby pink. This is some Martha Stewart seam binding. Just kind of different things. You know, people like different textures, different colors. And so like when you open this up, it's got a couple of different things. Some little 3x4 double-sided cards here. And then also this was, I took some of the leftovers and I just sewed, kind of layered, you know, a couple laces or trims and did a little zigzag stitch on it. Just did a little stitching, and I thought that would be nice, you know, just to add a handmade touch to it. And so you'll get 6 of these in the different ones, and let's see, I'll just wait and put these together so that way I can kind of show y'all some more of these. See, these are different. Got like it's a stretchy velvet trim. some burlap trim, some gold sheer lace, or ribbon I mean. And then this one's got, and these are double-sided. And then some little, and I inked these also around the edges on these that I stitched, and on the little fold over piece itself that everything goes in. I thought that would just be really neat there. And so I've got all of these too, so that way you have one to include in each of your envelopes, and they all have different, you know, like this in the back here, this green polka dot, this is actually fabric tape, so you could take off the tape and, you know, put it on. So these are basically just ready to go for you to put in your package, you know, to your pen pal. These are just ready to go for you. You can mix and match however you'd like, but they are ready to go as is. If you just wanted to, you know, just slip them in there and mail it off with the other items to your pen pal. So this was very fun, you know, to make. I really enjoyed making this. I tried to think of different items that I would like to receive, or that I would like to send out to someone. You know, just trying to, you know, just get in the mood for, you know, get the feel of it. And then also, one thing that I forgot is that I will also be including some vintage pages. This is an old Hallmark book, and it's got some pictures in it along with little stories. And so I'll be including a couple, you know, a couple pages out of there. I've also got this really neat, this is a 1978 collector's registry book, like where you put stuff in, and it has, you know, like item description, where and how you you know, acquired it, the history of the item, let's see, was marks and or signatures, appraisal and insurance data, entry made by so-and-so, date, phone number. And then on the back side is just extra space for you to write. And I thought that that would be really neat. So you'll also get some pages out of those too. So I thought that that would be neat. So basically on this here, these pages, whenever I tear them out, they're attached. So it's basically one page. When you fold it in half, it's like two. So so you'll get 3 of these out of the Hallmark book, and then you'll get 6 of these out of the collector's registry book. And then also what I just remembered that I had forgot to do was to include a couple of pens for you to have with your kit, for you know, to write your letter to your pen pal. So I'm going to be taking some pens and like wrapping them with you know, ribbon or lace or something, you know, just to kind of pretty them up, add a little handmade touch to them. And you'll be seeing the pins when I post the listing up on my website on danagirlsdesigns.com, and then also whenever I post pictures on you know, the various social media, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and so I will be getting that up hopefully later today. And so if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. These pen pal boxes are going to be I'm still trying to figure out the exact pricing. I think I still need to figure that out. Right off the top of my head, I'm thinking about 20. I want to make sure that that's a fair price. So that's kind of what I'm tossing around. So I will have that on my website soon. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me. You could comment below or send me an email directly if you're interested in the boxes, or any questions or suggestions that you have. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.